Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. My name is Robert, and in this video I will show you some WordPress blog examples. We are not sponsored by any of these blogs. They are just random people discovered when doing my own research. To make it more interesting, I will show you blog examples in different niches like automotive, cooking, fitness, traveling, and gardening. TheHumbleMechanic.com is a nice guy I am following on YouTube for several months, and now when I was searching for blog examples in the automotive niche, I discovered his blog, which looks pretty nice. He is a Volkswagen technician, mechanic, and you can read more about him on this page. His blog is really simple and it features the latest videos from his YouTube channel, as well as a podcast and articles about different things, like specific tutorials or answered questions. I like the way his homepage design looks with this hero section at the top and a nice logo over the image in the background. This is a WordPress blog powered by the Enfold theme and enhanced with plugins like Add This for the sharing icon you see on the left. How do I know that it's powered by WordPress? Well, you can simply right-click anywhere on the page and inspect the code, or use isitwp.com, paste the URL in this field, and analyze it. Cool, let's move to the following blog example, which is a travel blog, as you already noticed. AdventurousKate.com is managed by Kate, who teaches women how to travel the world safely. Interesting way to blog in this niche. The blog looks simple and the articles are filled with personal stories as well as travel recommendations. There is a nice custom logo near the header menu where you can access pages with recommended destinations, I guess. I think these are destinations she already visited, so we are talking about an experienced traveler, not only blogger. I can tell you that. This blog is made on the self-hosted WordPress platform by using the Astra theme. If you're wondering what else you need for a WordPress blog besides the platform itself and a theme to start your own blog, well, you need a domain name and hosting. I have put some links in the description box where you can get a 60% discount and a free domain name for 1 year, while we get a commission, which makes everybody happy. Next, I will show you a blog with simple recipes. As you probably noticed, all of these blogs are using .com domain names, which are the most wanted extensions. You can use alternatives like .info or country-based domains, but the best way is to use the .com extension. This blog was started in 2003 by Elise Bauer in Sacramento, California, and now has several talented writers and recipe developers. I think I will bookmark this blog and try one of these recipes on my own. I like that I can filter them by type, season, and I can also select special diets. Cool. This is also a WordPress blog, but the theme is custom made. I think this is more like a business blog than a personal one. Almost every big business in this world started small. The following blog is about gardening. And it looks like it is made for people in the United Kingdom. At least the domain name is from that region. Perfect for middle-size gardening ideas, the blog has many categories like garden trends, decorations, sheds, and so on. It seems that experienced people in this niche can work together with this lady, which I can't find his name. Well, if you blog about something, you should personalize the content with your real name at least. So I think this is the first how not to blog example in my video. Even if I go to a random blog post, I can't see who is the author. And there is nothing about the author's name on the About page. Not good. I have been sitting still for several minutes, so I feel the need to move. Let's check out a fitness blog. Come Back Mama is a unique idea for fitness blogs. Started by Jen from Boston, which is a mom of 2 teens, the blog is not only about fitness. I like the simple masonry blog layout, which is something you can create with the free Navy WordPress theme made by our team of developers. Health, family, food, travel and fitness are blog categories written by Jan or his collaborators. 7 Road Trip Tips is a good example of articles you can write on your blog as a paid partnership. So this could be a good way to monetize your work. The fitness category is filled with exercises like the fun indoor family fitness activities. Yeah, sure. The jumping on the bed could be the funniest moment when the bed breaks. Okay, this is it for today. Thank you for watching until the end, and keep in mind to subscribe, then ring the bell to get notified when future videos are published. Follow our step-by-step tutorials to learn more about blogging on WordPress and how to get the best out of your blog. Keep up the good work and see you in the next video. Cheers!